super loud because my parents are still asleep. What time is it? 6:24. I've been up since 5:45. I have just made a bowl of chocolate protein porridge with peanut butter, dark chocolate and berries. And then I have a cup of warm hot water because that's my favourite thing in the world. I'm a weirdo. Today I am working all day. Fun. Well, most people work all day, but you know what I mean. The first stop of the day is Fit. So who don't know what Fit is, it's an app where you create a boutique training experience in your living room. So basically, hook your phone up with your TV, and then there's someone on the TV taking you step by step and through a workout filmed in real time, so you just follow along with them. There's cardio, there's strength classes, there's rebalance, which is like yoga, Pilates, breath work, meditation, that kind of thing. And yeah, I'm one of the trainers on the app. I freaking love it, it's so good. I'm going today to film, I think, 3 classes that will launch on the app next month. I've already got loads of classes on there, but we film every month, so there's constantly more classes being added. The app is constantly being developed, so yeah, very excited about that. So I'm gonna tuck into this, get ready, pack a bag, and go. So I have just arrived at the studio. As I walked in, 2 of the guys from the team are actually taking one of the trainers' rebalance classes and doing a little bit of yoga right there. But now I'm starting the day with Adam over here.
Oh, hey.
And we are going to shoot some clips for the Fit YouTube channel. So at the moment Fit is only available on Apple devices, but it's coming to Android very soon. So if you have an Android phone and you really want to try one of the Fit classes but you don't have an Apple device to download it on, you can use the YouTube videos and just try it out and do some workouts with me in real time. So yeah, I'm going to be filming some now. Just finished filming the 2 snippet videos for YouTube on the Fit channels. I did a 5-minute ab workout and a 7-minute leg lower body glute focus workout, and now I'm going to head into the main studio and I'm going to film a 40-minute cardio class for beginners. These are my favourite classes to do. They are so intense, so sweaty, but they're suitable for any ability. So everything is done via time. So if I say it's 30 seconds on, you complete as many reps as you can in that time limit. If you're a beginner, you can go nice and slow. So yeah, I'll go and show you the studio now. Say hey everyone. Hello. Hey, do you want to show us around the studio? Yeah. Go on. Introduce yourself.
Hello, I'm Adam.
Hi Adam.
I'm Sean, fitness manager.
Amazing. Do you want to take us around the studio?
Come on in.
What have we got here?
Where all the magic happens.
There's Mitra, hard at work. Yeah. Hey girl.
Sammy, the big boss.
Mr. Big Boss Man. And then here is the studio. That's me. I'm on a big screen. So this is the cardio studio, which means pink mat with the Fit logo on. You can buy these Unreal mats from the website as well when you download Fit. I got my sweat towel, I got my water bottle, and then this is the behind the scenes that you do not see. How sick.
Go on, Steph.
You've got a vlogger. Oi oi.
Oi oi.
It's good practice for actual filming, no? So I just finished, I'm shaking. Can you see that? Probably not, but I just finished a 40-minute cardio class. It was so savage because I have to talk at the same time as actually doing it. So before I do the next 2 classes, I'm gonna have a little snack. So I've gone for some dried mango. I have a cup of nuts. Someone's parents from the Fit team brought in fresh homegrown peanuts. What else am I gonna have? Oh, here it is. This little easy peeler orange. These are the best peanuts I've ever tasted in my life. Oh my god. Trev's allergic to peanuts, so I don't usually get to have them. These are unreal. Oh my god. 1,000 words ain't enough to define the body of, yeah. Caught her look and she wants it back. She's firing up that body up, yeah, babe. You think that I want you, but not babe. You're 1 in a million, but it's not for me. I'm not into girls with a plastic trace. So I just finished my second class. It was 25 minutes intermediate cardio. It was so savage. It was like bang, 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 hardly any rest, with a really horrible finisher at the end. So now we're gonna stop. We're gonna go around the corner to a little vegan restaurant called Mother, have some lunch, and then I have one final class left to film. I went for the mother bowl, so that's massaged kale, carrot I think, quinoa tabbouleh, beetroot hummus, sauerkraut, sweet potato, and a little bit of lemon, and it looks unbelievable. So I've changed my hair, I've changed my outfit, and now I'm gonna go back into the studio and film my final 25-minute cardio class. So I finished the final class of the day and I'm super sweaty, but that was so fun and I can't wait for you guys to see them on the app. So if you haven't already, you can download the Fit app totally for free. It's not just a free trial, it's free for life, and you get access to a limited amount of classes. Or you can upgrade to the premium membership where you get a Fit device which tracks all of your progress and everything like that, where you'll get access to all of my classes in real time, so it's like you're training in real life with me. Now I'm gonna de-sweat, I'm gonna get changed, and then I'm heading to central London because I'm recording a podcast. So I've just taken my makeup off. When I was in Mother earlier, they had a vegan sausage roll. So I got that for after the last class to kind of keep me motivated throughout. I may have taken a bite of it before I went in for the class, and it may have been the most amazing thing I've ever had in my life. So I'm very much looking forward to it. Hey honeys, I'm still in my coat and jumper. I had an amazing time at the podcast. I stupidly forgot to get my camera out. Stupid. So it's called The Real Brunch Podcast. I'm not sure when my episode's going to be out, but I really enjoyed it. So I've done a lot of podcasts. I was going to say in my time. Not that many. I've done like 5 or 6 maybe, where I've been like a guest on someone else's podcast. And this one was probably the most fun I've ever had. So there was one guy called Martin, and then there was Becky and a girl called Ella. They're all performers or ex-performers, and they just had so much personality and banter, and they seemed really interested in what I had to say. So I had a lot of fun, but we were having such a good time I didn't get my camera out, so apologies about that. We spoke about my eating disorder, about Instagram, about how I started it, about my boyfriend. It was very fun. Now I'm home. I am still so sweaty from Fit. Bearing in mind, okay, I filmed a 40-minute class with a little break, then 25-minute class, and then another 25-minute class. So I did a lot of exercise and it was all very high intensity and sweaty. I have not showered. So this is trapping my smell. It is not cute. So neither was that face that I just pulled. Oh god. So I'm gonna have a shower now. Trev is on his way. So today he had an accountancy exam. He's a professional rugby player, but he's doing his accountancy exam on the side so that when he retires he's got something to fall back on. Very impressive. He had that today. He's been revising non-stop for like 10 weeks. Sat through a 3-hour exam, had rugby training, and then he's gonna make his way over. So I'm gonna make us a super yummy curry, and then we're just gonna chill and like celebrate the fact that it's all over. I'm gonna look a mess when he arrives, but... And then, oh my god, so I was at Bond Street Station earlier and they had this stand called Donut Time. I think it originally started in Australia, but oh my god. Oh my god. They do the most incredible donuts, and they have 4 vegan ones, or this stand had 4 vegan ones. And I went for the Houston We Have Biscoff. I also got a See Ya Later, but it's spelled like Sia, like the singer, which is red velvet. And then that, someone's calling me. Oh, I think this is an important phone call, but I'll answer it in a second. I got 2 Houston We Have Biscoffs, and then I got one called Ice Ice Baby, and I can't remember what that was, but it looked really, really good. It was like fudgy. So I'm gonna surprise him with a big old box of Donut Time donuts. I'm gonna show you how I make my curry, so stay tuned. I am in a giraffe onesie. My hair is scraped back with a hair mask in. Trev is one lucky guy. I'm gonna start on some dinner. I'm going to make a butternut, have we got butternut squash? Mum's like this, she's like, don't film me. Just say hey. Hey. She's shy. Anyway, I'm going to make a butternut squash curry with coconut rice. And it's gonna be great, isn't it? Isn't it? No audience participation in the Ellswood household today. But let's begin. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention, I'm so bad at selling myself. The recipe that I'm about to make is from my ebook Plant to Plate, so is the coconut rice. There are 35 vegan recipes all in one ebook for $9.99. I will link it below, so make sure you go check it out because it's good. Trev's here, Trev's here, Trev's here. Can I get in that box? Let me get in it and then he can open it.
One, two, three, just stop!
Hello. You okay?
I'm here.
Lovely to see you.
Hello.
I'll pause this now. You smell nice. That was so much fun and so spontaneous. I used to go off curry paste and the whole curry's ruined. I should have read the label. What are we gonna do? He's expecting curry. I told him I was making a really yummy curry.
Just go and get one down the road. Get a takeaway. He can run.
I'm dressed like a giraffe.
Well, you can drive me down. He can jump in. I'll just give him the money.
I've used gone off curry paste and the curry's awful. It's not funny. Why is that funny? Taste it, it's awful. And it's been cooking for bloody ages. I'm not selling my ebook very well.
It's lovely.
You're lying! It's not very nice, is it?
It's edible.
No.
That's a lie.
What do you mean? It's fine.
It's not edible, hun.
That's fine.
In other news,
I'll eat that.
would you like to see your presents? Open the lid.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I went mad. These two are Houston. We have Biscoff. This one is called Ice Ice Baby.
What's that?
That's got brownie bits on, and I believe that is fudge. And then this one is called See Ya Later, like the singer Sia, and it's red velvet.
Oh wow. The curry can wait.
So I managed to save the curry.
Chickpeas in.
No, I didn't. You told me not to. You told me not to put the chickpeas in. You want the chickpeas in there?
No, that's fine.
He said put the chickpeas.
No, he didn't. He said don't put them in.
Don't listen to me.
For God's sake, I've already
Can't
ruined
have
the...
a conversation with you when the camera's in my face.
Yeah, well, I'd rather that because then you won't be mean. So I've managed to save the curry. I just carried on as if I usually would, and it's actually turned out fine. I didn't film it though, the process, because I was panicking just throwing things in. But I put in coconut oil. That's a lie. I put in coconut milk. Okay, I didn't put in the chickpeas. Thanks for that, Trev. I put in coconut milk, beetroot, and... Is that what I put in? Yeah, that's what I put in. And then I served it with some coconut rice. I put the chickpeas in the remaining curry. Love me again.
Happy now.
Happy now.
I don't like this camera.
You don't like the camera?
No.
You signed up for this life. You knew what you were getting yourself in for.
Let's see.
Okay. These are blue corn tortilla chips, and I know tortilla chips usually go with Mexican, but I'm gonna try it with curry to hopefully disguise any gone off taste. It actually tastes nice, right?
Look. I don't know. I've tried it yet. That was a lie.
Can I film your reaction, or are you too scared of the camera still? It's good.
It's good.
I saved a terrible situation. My mum, oh my god, can I say what you did? She was like, okay, what I'm gonna do is I'll go to the local takeaway and I'll get us a vegan curry, and then you can serve that, and your YouTube subscribers will never know that it's not the one you didn't make.
That's not what I said, actually. I said, Trev would never know. I didn't say anything about the YouTubers. I said, Trev would never know.
Oh, hot. It's time for donuts. What are we gonna start with? Oh yeah. What is wrong with these portion sizes, please? Mine. Trev's. And who is in charge of cutting?
I did an exam today.
And who ate the biscuit?
What biscuit?
Trev. Can you believe that's vegan?
I really enjoy this in peace.
Yeah. How good?
Not off.
So we have tucked into our donut time. Donuts. I'm gonna sneeze. That's it, I'm done. So we have had our donut time donuts. We have 2 left that we're going to save for tomorrow. But I'm going to sign off now because we're going to have an evening of watching Netflix and just chilling. So, go for tomorrow. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll link everything that I said I was going to link in the description box below. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a cheeky thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Come say hey. I reply to every comment. Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.